In question 21, we're given a rectangle and one of the coordinates and the coordinates for the center. And we need to find out the coordinates for B and D. So what I'm going to do is look at coordinate B. Remember, coordinates come in pairs. They come in X and Y. And the X coordinate is the distance across the X-axis, and the Y coordinate is the distance up the Y-axis. Now I can see point B is at the same height as point A, and it's our second coordinate that tells us our height. So I know this is 30. Now if I draw a line up from C, I know this X coordinate is 40. And I know this X coordinate is 25. And from 25 to 40 is halfway, because we said C is the center of the rectangle. So I need to work out the difference between those two. 40 take away 25. 0 take away 5 I can't do. So what I do is go to the neighbor and borrow 1. So I cross the 4 out, it becomes a 3. And the 1 I borrowed turns that 0 into a 10. So it's 10 take away 5, which is 5. 3 take away 2 is 1. So that's 15. So I know that this distance halfway along is 15. So to jump from 40 to B, I'd have to add another 15. So what I now need to do is 40 plus 15. So let me do column addition here. 40 add 15. 0 add 5 is 5. 4 add 1 is 5. So we know it's 55. So we know the X coordinate is 55. Now let me look at the coordinates of D. Again, they come in pairs, X and Y. Now I know this is a vertical line running up and down the page. And the X coordinate will be the same for B as it is for D. So if that's 55, I know this here will also be 55. That's because it's straight below it. Now I need to work out the Y coordinate. How far down is this? I know the Y coordinate for B is 30, so I know this point here is 30. And if I extend this line, this Y coordinate is 22. So if I want to travel halfway, I have traveled from 30 to 22. And from 30 to 22 is a distance of 8 units. Now what I want to do is travel from the center or the middle of this line to D. So I have to travel another 8. And the reason I have to travel another 8 is because this is in the middle. So what I need to do is 22 take away another 8. 2 take away 8 I can't do. So I go to my neighbor and borrow 1. So we cross the 2 out and it becomes a 1. Now the 1 we've borrowed turns that 2 into 12. So now it's 12 take away 8, which is 4. And finally 1 take away nothing, which is 1. So I know the Y coordinate for this point is 14.